Sun spills gold on bay, tracing warmth you lay. Air whispers your name low, tide starts in me to flow. World brighter in your hue, truth I never knew. Before your smile broke through, heart anchored lost from view. Diving ocean deep, waves whisper you to keep. No map, no compass true, current pulls to you. Harbor for my soul, calm waters make me whole. My lighthouse in the night, guiding with your light. Castles in sand foam, fragile yet like home. Your hand holds off the cold, worth more than finest gold. Goals rise, fall in there, face storms beyond compare. Secrets in each shell, love won't hide, I tell. Diving ocean deep, waves whisper you to keep. No map, no compass true, current pulls to you. Harbor for my soul, calm waters make me whole. My lighthouse ever bright, safe through darkest night. Waters rage, skies black, doubt wrecks rise on our track. Deeper than trench floor, connection binds us more. Vow beneath moon's gleam, shed light, our endless dream. Swimming ocean deep, waves point you, secrets keep. No map, journey new, current carries to you. Harbor my quest, troubled waters find rest. Lighthouse burning clear, beacon holding near. Ocean deep, ocean of